Look at this 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Carfax has certified this Silverado 1500 as having one owner. This Silverado 1500 has just under 25,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the ebony, premium cloth seat trim, LT preferred equipment group, Summit white seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, and the transmission, 4-speed automatic, electronically controlled. Call 843-815-1501 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.